Hey, it's Glenn Davidson at Microsurvey. I'm the sales manager here, and today I'm chatting with Kiera Fulton, our product team, and we're having a look at StarNet, what's coming up in StarNet 14, which is coming out here in February. So we have another feature we're excited about called Auto Adjust. So what is that all about?
Yeah, so this is something that we've had a lot of requests to add to our command line functionality. Auto adjust is something that has been in StarNet for a few years, and it's a really beloved feature that was actually developed with some of our customers for the need of auto adjusting our networks. So let me share my screen here, and I'll go through it with you.
Cool. Okay.
Yeah, so right now, when somebody is running a network or troubleshooting a complex data set, it can be a really time-consuming process. We've got very knowledgeable trainers to train people on how to manually troubleshoot their data. But really, people wanted a way to automate this process. And so it was introduced a few years ago, this auto adjust button that's right next to the adjust button in the StarNet UI. And it really allows people to save time in their troubleshooting workflow because this will automatically detect and remove outliers based on the user's desired convergence criteria. And so really we're taking that manual nature of troubleshooting out of it as much as we can. And the reason why we've had the request to add this to the command line is because especially our StarNet Ultimate users who are using the command line functionality, and especially in the monitoring industry, they want to automate those workflows as much as possible. When you have a massive infrastructure project, control is absolutely critical, and you need to have absolute trust in the data that's coming out of your adjustment. So by automating auto adjust and having that as part of the command line, you're reducing interruptions into your workflows because you don't have to do that manual troubleshooting anymore. This is a feature that was so widely requested that users were actually writing their own scripts for the last few years in order to do this functionality as part of their automated process. So by adding auto adjust into the command line now, it just means that our users have those scripts that they no longer need to keep maintaining every release that we get out of StarNet. So I really think that our ultimate users and our users in the monitoring industry are going to appreciate this new functionality that they can use when running in the command line.
So they can just set up what their requirements are for convergence, their tolerances, or can you explain that a little bit more?
Yeah,
They just kind of
absolutely.
set it up in advance, and then that script always goes, oh, that's an outlier, remove, or it annotates it, or how does that work?
Yeah, it works exactly the same as auto adjust is currently running in StarNet. So we've got three parameters here that people can set. We've got the maximum standardized residual. We've got the number of outliers that would be removed per adjustment. So how many times is it, or how many outliers can it remove per iteration? And then the max number of adjustments, which is just how long are you going to let this go on for before reaching the convergence criteria? How many iterations are you going to let it go through?
Okay. So once they
So
set that up, that's going to execute that every time they run it. And
yes, yeah,
is it like
exactly.
a program default then, or is it per project they have to do it?
So these parameters here are defaults, but they're totally can be set by the user. You can, if it's taking too long to do 20 adjustments, we can bring it down to 10. We can increase or lower our maximum standardized residual depending on the requirements of the project. And that can all be set as part of the command line parameters. So really, it's just you write this into your script, and then every single time you're running this automated process, it's going to do the auto adjust and automatically removing those outliers as you go. And you can still have trust in the data and trust in the troubleshooting process that has been automated for you, because there will always be a summary of the removed outliers in the listing file to view after the process is done.
I see. Okay. So you can still see what happened,
Yeah, exactly.
essentially. Yeah. Okay.
Yep. So you can always have trust in your data and trust in the processes that StarNet is performing for you.
Awesome. Is there anything else you want to show with auto adjust, or
That's about all I've
that's
got
about
for
it?
you. Yeah,
Okay.
it's it's already a tried and true feature that our customers love. So I'm just excited for them to be able to use it another way.
Appreciate your time today, Kira, and thank you for walking us through the changes that are coming up in StarNet 14. It looks like some good things in the pipe.
Absolutely. I'm very excited to have it in the hands of our customers.
Awesome. Thanks for your time. We'll talk to you later.
Great. Thank you.
Okay, bye.